Assalamu alaikum. So on today we will discuss about the kinds of quadrilaterals. That means what? Which are the different types of quadrilaterals. First of all, एक चीज पहले बिल्कुल क्लियर रखना. What do you mean by the quadrilaterals? That means what? A polygon having four sides. That is called the quadrilaterals. Understand or not? So the first type quadrilateral, it is given in your textbook according to it. So it is the trapezium. First one is trapezium. Okay, so what do you mean by the trapezium? Okay, so trapezium is a quadrilateral having one pair of it parallel. Okay, that means what? One pair of opposite sides are parallel. Understand or not? पहले ये चीज पहले मैं trapezium ड्रॉ करता हूँ, उस पर से आपको मैं बताऊंगा that which pair of opposite sides. Okay, and I will clear some of the things related to the quadrilaterals also. Okay, first of all I am drawing a trapezium. So just see here in this trapezium, these two sides means this side and this side. These two sides are called opposite sides. उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Pair of opposite sides भी बोला जाता है. Understand or not? Okay. And these two sides are also pair of opposite sides. Okay. So according to the definition, if a quadrilateral has one pair of its or one pair of opposite sides parallel to each other is called what? Trapezium. Understand or not? Okay, तो यहाँ देखो फिगर के अकॉर्डिंग ये जो मेरा क्वाड्रिलेटरल है उसमें एक पेयर ऑपोजिट साइड की. पेयर का मतलब क्या है? दैट मींस टू साइड्स, ऑपोजिट साइड्स. Okay, both are parallel to each other, so that figure or that quadrilateral is called what? Trapezium. It is called what? Trapezium. Okay, I am drawing another figure of a trapezium. So just see here in this figure. Okay, no doubt it is a quadrilateral. Okay, now we will check that whether the pair of opposite sides are parallel or not. So just see this side and this side both are parallel to each other. Okay, by parallel का मतलब क्या है? Already आप 7th standard में आप पढ़ चुके हो. That means what? If two sides are parallel to each other, that means what? They will never intersect with each other. Understand or not? और दोनों के बीच का distance जितना भी आप जितनी भी साइड लोगे, सपोज इफ आई एम टेकिंग दिस मच, दैट मींस व्हाट? दिस डिस्टेंस as well as this one as well as this one, that means what? The distance between two of the parallel sides always remains same. means यहाँ 1 सेंटीमीटर या 10 सेंटीमीटर रहेगा, ये भी 10 सेंटीमीटर और ये भी 10 सेंटीमीटर, और ये जो दो लाइन है जस्ट लाइक अ रेलवे ट्रैक. अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? तो वो हमेशा एक दूसरे से इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे ही रहेगी. अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड अ पैरेलल. सो इन दिस फिगर जस्ट सी this line and this line both are parallel to each other, so you can also consider it as a trapezium. Understand or not? Yes, now the second one, second quadrilateral, that is kite. Okay, it is called what? Kite. In this way. Okay, it means just see the shape is almost like a kite. Okay, now what is the thing in a kite? means kite क्यों उसको कहा जाता है, and what is the special thing in the kite? तो kite के अंदर क्या होगा कि जो adjacent sides होगी, adjacent side means वो means this one and this one. Okay, that means what? The two sides having same vertex, so that is called a adjacent side. Understand or not? Okay, तो दो साइड्स जो एक दूसरे के बाजू बाजू के अंदर है, वो दोनों ही साइड्स लेंथ के अंदर क्या होगी? इक्वल होगी. इन द सेम वे दिस टू, that means what? One pair of the sides are equal in length as well as the another pair of the sides are equal in length. Okay, so this form of quadrilateral is called what? Kite. means ये जो quadrilateral है इसको kite भी बोला जाता है. Understand or not? Okay, so if I am drawing another figure of a kite, majorly the figure of the kite is almost same. Okay, just see the figure. So from the figure, this side and this side both are equal in length, and these two sides are also equal in length. That means what? This quadrilateral. Okay, that means a closed loop or a polygon having four sides. That means what? This quadrilateral, अगर कोई quadrilateral है जिसका जिसके अंदर ये प्रॉपर्टीज और ये कंडीशन फुलफिल होती है, दैट मींस व्हाट, टू ऑफ इट्स adjacent sides, that means what, one pair of side and another pair of the sides or the adjacent sides are equal in length, so it is called a kite. Understand or not? Now proceeding to the third one. Now the third quadrilateral, okay, name it is as a parallelogram. It is very important quadrilateral also. Okay, so what do you mean by the parallelogram? Means कौन से quadrilateral को आप parallelogram बोल सकते हो? Okay, so if a quadrilateral having opposite pair of sides equal in length is called a parallelogram. Okay, if I am drawing here, now just see the figure. Okay, just see the opposite pair of sides, means this side and this side. So both of these sides are parallel to each other, as well as this side and this side. So both of these opposite pair is also parallel to each other. So this figure is called a parallelogram. Okay, if I am drawing another form of a parallelogram, I know that all of you know, must be familiar with this figure also. That is a figure of square. Okay, so according to this, you can say that square is also considered as a parallelogram. Why? Because the opposite sides are parallel to each other, and these two sides are also parallel to each other. And some of the properties are there related to the parallelogram, which we learn in our next topic. But just understand the figure that is called a parallelogram. Means कौन से quadrilateral को आप parallelogram बोल सकते हो? Understand or not? If I will draw a right angle, so it is also considered as a parallelogram. These opposite pair of sides are parallel to each other. Understand or not? Okay, so these three are the basic quadrilaterals. Okay, first one that is a trapezium, second one that is a kite, and the third one that is a parallelogram. Okay, now proceeding further to the next topic, that is the elements of parallelogram. That means what, अगर एक parallelogram ड्रॉ किया हुआ है तो उसमें कौन सी चीजें हैं, means which thing, okay, having the name. Okay, suppose I am drawing a parallelogram. Okay, so according to the figure, suppose I am giving the name to the parallelogram as A, B, C, D. Okay, ये जो parallelogram है उसको मैं नाम देता हूँ A, B, C, D. These four are the vertices of a parallelogram. Understand or not? Okay, so according to this, okay, first thing, okay, which sides are opposite sides, means कौन सी sides को हम opposite sides बोल सकते हो, or you can say that pair of opposite sides. So pair of opposite sides, okay, so which are the pair of the opposite sides, means कौन सी side दूसरी sides के सामने है. Okay, let us see this side and this side. That means what, side AB and side CD. Okay, so those two sides, that is the side AB and the side CD, or you can say the line segment AB or line segment CD, both are called a pair of opposite sides. In the same way, this side and this side, that means what, side AB and another side is BC. So these two sides are, that means what, AD and BC both are parallel to each other, and AB and CD both are parallel to each other. Understand or not? Or you can write it as it is a pair of opposite sides. Understand or not? Okay. Now another thing about the opposite angles. Or you can write pair of opposite angle or opposite angle, pair of opposite angles. Understand or not? So here, which angles are considered as the opposite angle? So just see here angle A, और angle A के exactly सामने वाला कौन सा angle है? So here it is angle C. तो यहाँ angle A और angle C को opposite angles बोला जाएगा. Why? Because these two angles are opposite to each other. So angle A and angle C. Okay, so this is one pair, that is angle A and angle C. So this is one pair of the opposite angle. Understand or not? Okay, please clear about thing that is a pair. Pair का मतलब समझ लो अच्छे तरीके से. Means दो एंगल जो एक दूसरे से ऑपोजिट होंगे उन दोनों ही एंगल को एक पेयर बोलते हैं. Understand or not? Here it is the same thing. This angle and this angle. That is angle B and angle D. They are also considered another pair of the opposite angles. That is angle B and angle D. Understand or not? Okay. So here I wrote already explained you from the figure and wrote some of the thing that is the pair of opposite sides and another thing the pair of opposite angles. Means जो sides एक दूसरे के सामने हैं. Understand or not? So they are called the opposite sides. और दोनों को ही combinedly single pair बोला जाता है. Understand or not? So here AD and CD are pair of opposite sides and another pair is AD and BC. Understand or not? And the angles are angle A and angle C and another one is angle B and angle D. Understand or not? Now another thing that is about the adjacent sides and adjacent angles also. Pair of adjacent sides. Okay, that means what? कि यहाँ कौन सी साइड्स को एडजेसेंट साइड्स बोला जाएगा. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. A, B, C and D. So from this figure adjacent sides इसको बोला जाता है वो पहले समझ लो कि एक वर्टेक्स के दोनों तरफ वाली जो साइड्स होती है that is called the adjacent side. Suppose I am taking vertex A. तो यहाँ वर्टेक्स A लेता हूँ तो वर्टेक्स A के रिलेटेड दो एडजेसेंट साइड्स कौन सी होगी? So this one and this one. Okay, जो बाजू बाजू में हम बोलते हैं वही. तो दोनों ही sides both are adjacent sides. Okay, so I will write there are many pairs. So pair of adjacent sides. First one is side AB and side AD. If I am considering vertex P, अगर vertex B को लेता हूँ तो कौन सी दो sides adjacent होगी? So this one and this one. Okay, that means what? I can write it as AB and another one as BC. Okay, in the same way these two sides are also considered as the adjacent sides and these two sides are also considered as an adjacent sides. So बाकी एक दो पेयर तो मैंने लिख ली है, बाकी दो पेयर वो है वो आप लिख लेना. Understand or not? Okay, in the same way about adjacent angles. Or you can write it as pair of adjacent angles. Okay, so just see here. This angle, okay, angle A and angle B both are considered as adjacent angle. In the same way, angle A and angle D, it is both are also considered as the adjacent angles. In the same way, angle C and angle D both are considered as the adjacent angle, and in the same way B and C. Okay, ये दो पेयर मैंने लिख दिए हैं, दो पेयर आप लिख सकते हो. Okay, it is very easy. Understand or not? So these are the elements of parallelogram. That means what? Pair of opposite sides, pair of adjacent sides, pair of opposite angles, and pair of adjacent angles. Understand or not? Okay. Now next we discuss about the properties of parallelogram. Understand or not? So the first property of parallelogram is that the opposite angles of parallelogram are of equal measure. That means what? जो भी पैरेललोग्राम रहेगा उसके ऑपोजिट एंगल्स रहेंगे वो उनका मेजरमेंट कितना होगा? इक्वल होगा. ओके, यहाँ एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. आई एम ड्राइंग अ पैरेललोग्राम. ओके, गिविंग इट द नेम A B C. Okay, so which two angles are opposite to each other? So just see here, angle A and angle C both are opposite to each other. So according to the first property, the measure of angle A and the measure of angle C are equal. That means what? I can write it as measure angle A is equals to measure angle C. Understand or not? Why? Because both are opposite to each other, and according to that opposite angles are equal in measure. Understand or not? And another pair, okay, which one? That is B and D. Understand or not? So from it I can write that measure angle B is equals to measure angle D. Understand or not? So according to the first property of a parallelogram, the opposite angles of a parallelogram are always equal in measure. Understand or not? Okay. Now the second property. Yes. Now the second property. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, very much important. Okay, so I have already cleared the concept about the diagonals. किसको diagonals बोला जाता है वो already हमने आगे discuss कर लिया है. Okay, now we will check. Okay, I will explain you the property on the basis of the figure. Okay, suppose this is a parallelogram A, B, C. Okay, ये मैं parallelogram मैंने draw किया हुआ है A, B, C, D. Understand or not? Now I will draw a diagonal. Okay, diagonal का जब हमने किया था तो क्या था कि opposite vertex को जो line connect करती है in the interior of polygon is called a diagonal. Okay, so these are called both are called the diagonals. Okay, suppose both of the diagonal intersect each other at point O. Means दोनों ही diagonal कहाँ intersect कर रहे हैं? Point O पर intersect कर रहे हैं. So according to this property, both the diagonals bisect each other. That means what? कि दोनों ही diagonal जब intersect करेंगे तभी हर एक diagonal के दो equal part बन जाएंगे इस तरह. That means what? This part of a diagonal is equals to this part of a diagonal. That means what? I can write it as OA is equals to OC. That is length O. That is the length of OA. That is equals to the length of OC. Understand or not? And in the similar way, this diagonal means this part is equals to this. That means what? OB is equals to OD. So this is the second property of a parallelogram. That means what? When two diagonals of a parallelogram intersect with each other, so it bisect each other also. Means जो भी diagonal है, दो diagonal जहाँ intersect करेंगे, वहाँ हर एक diagonal के दो equal part बन जाएंगे. Understand or not? Okay. So this is the second property of a parallelogram. Okay. So that's all for today. Okay. In our next lecture we will proceed to our next topic as well as the exercise. Okay, thank you very much and have a good day.